In this video, I'll be showing you how to use one of your Android devices to control another Android device's camera. This will work for any camera app you have on your Android phone. Okay, so I'm going to be using this phone to control this phone's camera. So what I need to do now is head over to the Play Store and I'll search for this app called Bluetooth Camera Shutter and I'll install it. So after installing it, I'll tap open and then I'll give it access to my Bluetooth. Okay, next I'm going to allow the app to send me notifications by tapping allow. And if you want to donate to the developer of the app, you can tap donate. But for now, I'll tap outside the box so that I can continue with the process. Okay, so next I'm going to tap this button so that other devices can find this phone. And this phone is what I want to use. So I'll click to enable, and then I'll tap allow. And now I'm going to head over to this phone settings, then Bluetooth, and it should find this phone. Okay, so it has found it. I'll tap here and then the pairing process will start. So I'll tap pair and pair. Right now it says connected over here, but nothing has changed here. So I'm going to unpair and try it again. So head over to your Bluetooth settings on the other Android device and delete the device that you just paired. So we'll try it again. So this phone has found this one. I'll tap here to start the pairing process again. Okay, so now the pairing process has been completed. And if I open any camera app, let's try the main camera app. So I can tap on this button to take pictures. So it has taken the picture. If I set it to video, I can tap here to start the video recording process. So as you can see, it is currently recording. I can stop it and record again. And it doesn't have to be this camera app. I can use any camera app I want, like Open Camera, for example. I can tap here and as you can see, it has started recording the video. The screen is a bit too bright. I can't do anything about that right now. So there are a few options you can use here. If you want to set a timer so that when you tap this button, it takes some time before the other phone starts recording, you can tap here and you can choose how much time you want. So let's set it to 2 seconds. I'll tap save. And now if I press here, let's switch to video. If I press on this button, you can see that it takes 2 seconds before this one starts recording. And stopping it is the same. It will take 2 seconds to stop. So there are other options you can try, like the burst mode. It's like pressing and holding the shutter button for seconds. So you can tap here to choose how many seconds you want to hold the shutter button for. There's also the repeat option. If you enable this, you can tap here to choose how many times you want to tap on this button. So let's say you want to take 2 pictures and you want to have a 3-second delay. Tap that. And now if I tap here, so 3 seconds, one picture is taken, another 3 seconds, the second picture is taken. So that's how it works. Okay, so after you're done, you can tap here to disconnect. So that's how you use one Android device to control another Android device's camera. I've also made a video on how you can do the same for iPhone devices, so you can click on the video that you're seeing right now. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.